we are very slow. We are very slow in our classes. So now everyone muted. Your doubt, everything, I'll give you time. To after finishing my topic, I give time for your doubt clarification. So everyone please mute it now. Okay, children. So last class,
We are starting a new
no, new, same chapter. We did not even complete that. Okay, we didn't complete that. Janvi, tell me,
Okay.
where do we see the smooth muscles? Where do we see the smooth muscle?
I can see the
No, I am not
Ma'am.
showing the board. I am not showing the board. This is we already completed in the previous class. I want to see. I want the answer from Janvi. What do you mean by?
Ma'am, can I, Felix?
No, Janvi. Let me ask. If Janvi could not give answer, Felix can give.
In our stomach.
In our stomach. Not only in our stomach, all our internal organs. Okay, we can see the smooth muscles. Okay, Felix. Now tell me, where do we see our cardiac muscles?
In the heart only.
In the heart only. Cardiac muscles is in the heart. And where do we see the skeletal muscles?
Ma'am, attached
The bones.
skeletal muscles are attached to the bones.
Okay, skeletal muscles are attached to the bone. Okay.
Using tendons.
Or tendons, actually it is the connecting tissue. Okay, tendons actually is the connecting tissue. 1 minute, let me come back to you. I have not shared the board. So tendons are the Kashinath is not in 5A. He is in 5B. Okay, he is staying over there. Yeah. So tendons are connective tissue between the muscles. This is also, it look like a muscle, but it connects both. Connective tissue between the muscle. Like one muscle should be connected with the another muscle. Okay. So always tendons are the connective tissue to connect the muscles. All the muscles together. Then only we will get an entire body. Got that point? Clear? Okay. So now we come back to that. So what are the uses of our smooth muscle? Move food through digestive organs. You have already written. Empty liquid from the blood. I explained to you the urine and the urinating that we help the smooth muscles. Control width of the blood vessel. So when you run and all, your blood circulation will be more blood will be pumped. That is the time your vessel will be expanding. Expanding means it will become big, just like a balloon. It will be expanding. So for that also it is helping smooth muscles. Stomach, intestine, stomach and all. When you eat the food, your stomach will come up, correct? If you eat over it, you say, oh, my stomach, it will become like ball, correct? So that is because of the presence of smooth muscles. And what is the features of the smooth muscles? They are not attached to the bone. They are not
attached to the
bone.
They are not attached to the bones.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Muscles. We have smooth muscles, right?
Yes.
So do we have heart muscles?
Heart muscle is the one what you call cardiac muscles. Okay. Yes.
Are they hard muscles?
No. Heart muscles are different. That's I told you. The third type of muscles, we call it heart or cardiac muscles. So we come to the third type of muscles, heart or cardiac muscles. They found only in the heart. Okay. So the muscles, Felix, now your doubt is cleared. The muscles.
No, I am asking not the heart. I am asking hard.
HARD. Okay, hard.
Yes.
No. Hard means very, very tight. Okay. Smooth means very soft. So they are not hard muscles. No. They are not hard. Okay. But the muscles which is close to your bones, skeletal muscle are hard. Okay, Felix? Skeletal muscles are hard, but the muscles which is close to, which is attached to our stomach, okay, all these are very soft. When you touch it, you can feel it is very soft. Our stomach is very soft. They are not hard. Okay, but skeletal muscles are hard. If you feel it, you can see. When you do exercise more, you know, some of the athletes, you can see the muscles are coming out, like boxers and heavyweight champions, correct?
Ma'am, dumbbells.
Ah, so what they do, it is the muscles. They are, it is dumbbells, like they are muscles. Okay, they are very hard. How this muscle become hard? Our skeletal muscles become hard. Once you do the exercise, our body muscle becomes strong. When we do the exercise, muscles become strong. That's why, you know, the movie, no, Bahubali and all.
Yes.
Look at the muscles of those who hero and villain. Yeah, they really worked nearly 2 years to get that much muscles. Got that? For the movie, they really worked hard 2 years. You think, oh, heroes and heroines, they get plenty of money. Majority money they spend for keeping their beauty and keeping their muscles actually. So to get muscles, what they do, you know, in a day they will have 6 eggs, 10 eggs in a day. Egg and chicken they eat more, then you will get that muscles
In
will
the
bulge out.
morning, every day I eat 2 eggs.
It's okay. No, you are kids. You are not going for a movie. You are not going for athletics, correct? But the sports people, athletic people, especially the people who is for doing boxing, the people who does athletic activities, they will have every day. They will have a lot of food like egg, chicken, like that, non-veg items. And they not no, they not even simply eat that. What they do, after eating they will go and do the gym. They will do lot of push-up. They will do very hard gyms. Now we have machines, and that is how their muscles are becoming bulging out, become 6-pack, 8-pack, and we call them 6-pack, 4-pack, 8-pack. What that?
Is there 0-pack?
Zero pack is there. If you look at a thinny girl or a boy who is very thin, he has no pack at all. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You will able to see.
Everything.
No, thin
My
means,
younger brother also.
thin means you will, if you look at that person, you can see the bones inside their body. You will able to see the bones inside the body. That structure and all. Yeah. Structure and all. Correct.
Ma'am,
In this class, no one is like that. You are all are some packing.
ma'am, I can see the rib cage of my brother.
Yes, you can see the rib cage. That means he has no muscle at all. He needs to have a lot of nutritious food. Tell your mother to feed him properly. Okay. Now some of them you can
He will
see
never
these,
reach anything.
you will able to see these bones are coming out from your.
My younger brother also, he will do something silly like holding his brother like this, and I can see his rib cage.
Rib cage. So tell that younger brother not to do that. That can become a danger for him later. Maybe suddenly he get a heart attack, and also tell your brother not to do that. If it is small, tell your mother to feed him and take care of him. Okay, don't make them to do
That's
anything.
not
But
my
some of
mother.
them-
My mother. It's he is my aunt's son.
Okay. Yeah, you can tell because now you are studying all this, no? You tell them, tell that cousin brother, don't do that. And some people are there. How much you eat also, pack will not come. Okay, that is because your parents' gene. Because you are here because of your parents. Maybe your parents' structure is like that. How much you eat also, you may not able to put up that muscles. Clear? So that may be.
I don't
But
like
if
to-
you, and within one day it will not come. You have to work hard, do exercise every day without a fail, minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Then only we can do. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't like to be a bodybuilder, so I eat too much.
Ma'am, sometimes I do skipping every day.
No. Don't skip that. Very dangerous. Early breakfast, you should not skip it. After the class.
That, ma'am, after the class.
After the class you can have, and you are all the small kids, daily you should have 1 egg and as well as 1 glass milk every day, because you all are very small. You have to grow. Okay, your body has to be strong. Now you are not strong. You are not strong like us. Okay, so now you have to have all this. Now you mute it. So let us now see.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes.
have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, when the sunlight come to our skin, only our muscles become black color, right, ma'am?
That is not all the sunlight. If you stay for long time, afternoon, if you stay long time, sometimes they have got some radiations, bad radiations, ultraviolet radiations that may give you burn. Okay. But morning and sorry, morning and evening sunlight, if you get it, there is no problem. Your body will get vitamin D. If you play in the morning hours, I mean, if you do exercise in the morning hours outside, if the sunlight is falling on you, morning hours means between 5 to 7, 7:30. That time sunlight is not strong. So that is the time your body you will get vitamin D. Okay, and evening also.
Early in the morning. Ma'am,
Can I ask a doubt?
Enough.
my brother. Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, can
Mute
I have not finished.
Mute everyone now.
Ma'am, I
I
have
doubt
not.
you can clarify. Doubt you can clarify later. Let's have doubt regarding the muscles. You can ask. Other doubt we will clarify later. Okay. So that's what I
Yes,
told
ma'am.
you.
Ma'am, Sarah.
Sarah, what happened, Sarah?
Ma'am, so when the sunlight is coming, any problems will be there for our muscles?
No, for your muscles, no problem, but you will get some.
Ma'am,
Okay.
excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am? Okay. Yes, yes.
me.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
children.
have a doubt.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
What
Ma'am,
doubt you
Felix.
have? What doubt, Hirudvi? Tell me. Sarah, mute it. Hirudvi.
Ma'am,
Hello.
if we
There are so many others did not mute it. I can hear your mother's sound and it's disturbing the class. Okay. So only those are asking me, only those students unmute. Only those, one student. Don't everyone mute and ask me doubt. I won't answer it. I might not able to see that. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah.
ma'am, I and my brothers run early morning. So if we run, ma'am told right, our
Yes.
muscles will be
Yes.
a balloon.
Yes, not balloon like I just
You-
give you a local thing that our muscles will come stronger. Okay. This
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Good to
muscles
run,
will
right?
be muscle good to run. It's a good exercise. Muscle to become balloon means for the athletes, you know, the boxers who carry heavy weight. You must have seen in sports. They for those people only we call 8-pack, 6-pack and all. For you all, when you run every day, your muscles become strong, and when you get injury, you will be cured very fast. You don't have fractures in your bone. You don't have any problem. Okay, that is the one. So we are now come to the heart and cardiac muscles. Muscles found only in the heart. These are not controlled by us. We cannot control the heart muscles. Okay, we cannot control the heart muscles. So that is the speciality of the cardiac muscles. They found only in the heart. They are not controlled by us. Help the heart to pump blood. So what is the function of the cardiac muscles? They help to pump the blood. And also they help in breathing. So there are two functions mainly for heart. One is for your pumping blood to different parts of your body and then help in breathing. Now I want to show you one video. Ma'am. Wait. So I want just now mute everyone. You have so many doubt. You are asking me doubt which is coming in other chapters. Okay.
No,
So,
ma'am.
let us now.
It's not for the chapter, but
So other chapter first we have to complete this. You are not allowing me to complete this chapter. Yeah, you are not helping me to complete. So many things you want to study. There is my.
Ma'am,
my
I no, I don't.
It's gone. Okay. Okay, fine, children. It's almost time. I have to wind up now. See, when you ask a doubt, our class will not move. Okay. So anyway, you have seen the heart. You have seen the heart, how it is beating, how it is doing, and you can also see it outside. And what you have to study from this chapter about cardiac muscles. Mainly, we have to study cardiac muscles. These are the features of cardiac muscles. They found only in the heart. They are not controlled by us. We cannot control. Help the heart to pump blood. So the have you seen these so many lines on this heart? These are our muscles. Okay, and these muscles will contract and expand. Muscles will contract. Okay, so listen now. When you breathe in, this muscle will contract. Our cardiac muscles will contract. Contract means it will become short. Okay, it will be like that. How the heart is going inside, that is contraction. Heart is coming out, that is expansion. Going inside, contraction. Coming out is expansion. Contraction, that's the meaning. CONTRACTION. Contraction and expansion. So when you breathe in, muscles contract. Who contract? Muscles contract. Then when you breathe out, it will expand. Expand or relax. That is how heart is doing. Heart alone cannot do. Heart is alone cannot do that. 1 minute. Okay, I think you have seen it. Heart is alone cannot do that. We have to, muscles have to help the heart in order to, 1 minute, going out of the track. Okay, muscles, cardiac muscles, how to help heart to do this activity. Then only we can breathe in and breathe out. So any problem you have with your muscles, then naturally you heart will have problem, and your body also will have problem. Okay, so we will meet it in the next class. We will explain the next section. Okay, fine. So now I am going to end the session.